How to lock drive in Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can lock your drive in Windows 11. In order to secure drives to in your PC, all you have to do is make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. So I'm going to be showing you different steps on how you can actually do it. The first thing is you can go ahead and open up your file explorer and then go to this PC. Then you'll be able to see your drive. Now locate the drive that you actually want to secure and right click on your mouse. Then you'll be able to see this drop down menu. From there you have to go ahead and tap on show more option, and right on this page you'll be able to see this option as BitLocker drive encryption, which you have to go ahead and select that. Now you need to set a pin and then encrypt all of the information and all that, and accordingly you can follow the instruction. You can lock your drive. Apart from it, if this is not a convenient method or if you're unable to see the option as a BitLocker drive encryption, then what you need to do is just exit out of here and go to the start menu or the Windows tab, and from there you need to type in control panel, then click the open button and open up the application. Now right on this page you have to go ahead and select system and security. As you do that, you'll be able to see this sort of interface. So right on this page you should be able to see BitLocker drive encryption, which you have to go ahead and select that. Now find the drive you created under fixed data drive and click turn on BitLocker. Now use the password to unlock the drive option and enter the password you want to use. And basically when you have to access it, you can provide in the password and then you can get the TDAS. So that's basically how you can lock your drive in PC. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.